racetracks. I'm happy to be here with the police officer of New Zealand. I know something completely new. They are doing greatly. They accept all community. This is why I'm here today. And my dream, or all I wish from you, is to be like those police officers, or be open, good with people of different communities. I am learning foreign, and I am showing my community how the police officer should treat people. This is the person. I have this flag with me. This is the flag from Haiti, the first black country, free from slavery in the world. Today is the 221 anniversary of this flag. So when all of you become police officers, please do not forget Haiti. You will hear about this organization. I am the leader.